All NextSTEP Patch modules now include a strain relief kit, which eliminates the use of tie wraps and the risk of damaging the fibers. This includes our loaded patch module, shown here. For this demonstration, I'll be using a 3mm loose tube subunit as the entry cable. It will enter in this loaded patch module for splicing. Note that this installation is toolless. The strain relief kit is also compatible with a 2mm subunit and a 12-fiber ribbon cable. For this example, I'm using a 43-inch subunit. I proceeded to strip off 18 inches of our recommended slack, so later we can perform a fusion splice in our patch module. After, I will leave an extra 1 inch for the strain relief, and then 24 inches for the recommended cable slack for the inside of our patch module. Your application may vary in length regarding your entry cable, but the installation of the strain relief kit remains the same. Now let me demonstrate. Here are 3 components of the strain relief. First, slide the rubber insert with the big tabs facing the cable end. Leave about a ½ inch between the rubber and the stripped cable. Next, take the plastic clip and slide it over the rubber. Make sure you match it with the angle of the rubber, shown here. If monocoil tubing is used, it helps keep it in place between the cable breakout and the patch module. Next, locate this tab of the NextSTEP Patch Module and slide the clip in like so. You should hear a click. And finally, place the guide onto the back of the module over the cable. It should click in place. That's it. We're done. Your cable entry now has a strain relief. You can pull hard on it, and it should not move out of the strain relief. Note that your fibers are still intact and can move freely inside.